Let's make lemon and coriander fish in the air fryer. I'm gonna take a baking dish that fits in my air fryer basket. I'm gonna add some onions, salt, parsley, oil, coat the onions. Take some minced garlic, chopped coriander, oil, tomato paste, paprika powder, just a pinch. Mix everything. Now I'm gonna take the fish. I'm using sea bass here, and I'm just gonna coat the fish with everything. Now take the baking dish that we prepared, place the fish on top of the onions. Make sure to put all the marinade on top of the fish. Put the baking dish in the air fryer now. This is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Fish is ready.